And now, the second one is Jyoti Avatarana Sadhana, Mataji's. Jyoti Avatarana Sadhana means this Prana Shakti is now, Jyoti, I told you, knowledge. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. But this Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi has to be utilized. That is a Nada. So if all of us do this practice of these three cassettes, remembering this explanation that Gayatri Mantra is a universal breathing technique whether he knows it or not. But when you know Gayatri Mantra, you become a scientist. Just as I told you about Namak and NaCl. You become NaCl, scientists on breathing technology. This we have to explain to the world that Gayatri Mantra is the only mantra which can lead you. If you don't want to use E is equal to mc squared and you want some new mantra, you can never get nuclear energy. You have to utilize E is equal to mc squared. And if you want to know how to live, what is the technology of living, and especially the four castes, all come from the sun. Some other time I will explain that. But when I say about the four castes, ये मत समझना कि caste अलग हैं. आप ही उसी चार रोल में रहते हैं हर रोज. कभी आप ब्राह्मण के जैसे सोचते हैं, कभी आप वैश्य के जैसे काम करते हैं, कभी शूद्र के जैसे काम करते हैं, कभी क्षत्रिय के जैसे. अब ये तो मैं नहीं कह सकता कि सब लड़ते हैं या नहीं, लेकिन अंदर में तो जरूर लड़ते होंगे. So, if in this lecture I could make you understand that Gayatri is a science of breathing technique which is universal from mineral to humanity. And you have to follow this mantra alone. No other formula will help you scientifically. And it has nothing Hinduism in it, except that it was discovered by Hindus, just like the Einstein's law or Newton's law. Nobody knows about Newton and Einstein. Nobody can know about Hindus and others if you understand this science. And finally, the last point, 5 points I want you to think you. Utilize your Parasmani, Kalparuksha and Kamadhenu to understand the difference between Rishi, Maharshi, Brahmarshi, Rajarshi, Brahmarshi and Devarshi. And let me tell you, anyone who comes and understands Puja Gurudev's science automatically become Devarshi. Automatically. So this is only to think you, because Narada, you know, is a Devarshi. He goes to Ravana also and he goes to Rama also, advises them also and this also. And that is exactly what Guruji wants us to tell us. This knowledge of our Sanatana, Shashvata, Nitya, Nutana science has to be taken to all people. That is the Narada's duty. So, asking and seeking the blessings of Puja Gurudev, that we start from Rishi, jump to Maharshi, then Rajarshi, then Brahmarshi and Devarshi. And you can understand that these 5 rishis are related to the 5 pranas. Jai Gurudev.
शरीर मंदिर हो शुद्धता वहाँ पर है. यह शरीर मंदिर हो शुद्धता वहाँ पर. विश्वास आस्था के हो देवता जहाँ पर. सद्भाव और सद्गुण की आरती उतारे. सद्भाव और सद्गुण की आरती उतारे. जीवन ही देवता है, जीवन ही देवता है. क्यों और को पुकारे. जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सारे. जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सवारे। जीवन के देवता से अवतार भी प्रकट हो, जीवन के देवता से अवतार भी प्रकट हो। जीवन अगर सधे तो भगवान भी निकट हो। चिंतन चरित्र में हम यदि श्रेष्ठता उभारे, चिंतन चरित्र में हम यदि श्रेष्ठता उभारे। जीवन ही देवता है, जीवन ही देवता है, क्यों और को पुकारे। जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सवारे। जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सवारे। जीवन ही देवता है, जीवन ही देवता है, क्यों और को पुकारे। जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सवारे। जीवन के देवता को आओ तनिक सवारे।
This video is produced by www.awgpsouth.org. For more video, audio and literature, visit us at www.awgpsouth.org, www.th8revolution.com, www.egurukul.net.